Hey buddy, there is a brand new app on Telegram that pays you to discover new projects. And it literally launched a few days ago. It's called the first ever info file on Telegram. Think of it like this. Remember Kaito? It has got a similar vibe, but it is built right into the Telegram. If you use something like Kaito before, you'll get the concept pretty quick. For regular folks, you earn points just by discovering new projects and engaging with them and complete some simple missions. But if you run a Telegram channel, listen to this, you can earn bots directly by making posts about the projects that are partnered with this thing. Let's walk through how to get set up. Go to the official bot. I will drop the link for you below in the description. Now head straight to the profile section. That is where the magic happens. Here you can connect your wallet. It defaults to a Ton wallet since it is in that ecosystem, but here you can actually connect more wallets from EVM and Solana chains too. Pretty flexible. Now here's a pro tip. If you run a channel, you can add this bot to your channel as an admin, wait about half an hour, and if your channel is public, you can actually remove the bot after that. Doing this little move can give you a score and nice little boost. You can connect your X accounts and you can also invite friends to get more points. Plus, there are some super simple tasks inside the bot. Think quick clicks and easy engagements that will net you bonus points on top of everything else. Now head into the earn section. This is where you'll see all the partner projects line up. And here's the really good news. All the points you are earning from these projects right now are set to pay out in the first quarter of next year in 2026. So you are not waiting ages. It's actually pretty soon. You can pick any of them, check out their tasks, things like following an X page or joining a Telegram group or channel, and just click through to complete them. If you own a Telegram channel, you've got an extra advantage here. For a lot of these projects, you can actually post about them in your channel and earn even more rewards on top of the basic tasks. It is a nice little boost if you've got an audience. There is a Solstice project that I talked about before and giving 0.25% of their token supply back to the active user of the bot. And one more cool thing, this bot project itself is running its own airdrop. So by doing these tasks, you are not just earning future bots, you are also getting in on their airdrop. So to wrap it up, you are stacking points for bots, completing tasks for partner rewards, and qualifying for the bot's native airdrop. Not a bad deal for just exploring some new projects, bro. See you in the next video. Goodbyes, hero!